Our home's interior design is completed with furniture. We all recognize the importance of furniture in our daily lives, whether for storage, seating, or leisure. Furniture has the main importance because it is so often the focal point of any indoor design. We need furniture for our comfortable lives. Furniture is an important part of your home and your business. Furniture is the backbone of interior design and also helps to add comfort to your home. There are several wood projects you can make and use in your home, office, or patio. Although most of these projects are wooden furniture pieces, there are also wooden decorative items you can make. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas for your home and patio. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the benefits of wood furniture is to decorate your home, office, or patio. When you have decorated your space for you, it can bring you so much peace and calm, which is what we all really want for our spaces. When our spaces reflect our personalities, they are easy to clean and tidy up, and are functional for your lifestyle. You may never want to leave. There are several wooden furniture and decorative pieces you can use in this venture. Many wood projects do not require a high level of expertise. Handcrafted or handmade wood items sell well online, as they have always been in demand due to their unique look and finish. However, if you have worked on multiple kinds of wood projects and have the level of expertise to sell complex and simple wood products, then this might be easier for you. Wooden objects may look simple, however, the creation process is intricate. Woodworking engages the brain system in a complex manner. It involves creativity, math, logic, memory, spatial reasoning, emotions, and hand-eye coordination. Every part of the brain operates while planning and executing your project. Wood has beautiful grain patterns and textures which make it stand out compared to other furniture materials. That's why it never goes out of style. Applying the ideal wood paint can highlight its patterns and make the wooden furniture look even more exquisite. Some of them provide excellent grain clarity and retain the gloss level or sheen of the furniture for years. Wood is one of the most durable materials out there, making it a favorite amongst home designers. It saves on time, effort, and money in the long run, which would have otherwise been involved in frequent renovation, repair, or replacement work of the interior. If properly maintained and taken care of, wood can last numerous years. It's easier than ever to maintain wood now, with certain latest wood preservative methods. Wood is available in a vast array of colors, tones, and types to achieve the style you want in the best manner. And when it comes to choices, you will undoubtedly be overwhelmed by the options at your display. The type of wood your furniture is made of can determine not just how individual pieces will look, but how long they will last, as well. For this reason, it's always best to review types of wood before making a big furniture purchase. The best wood for furniture depends on a number of factors, including whether the piece will be used indoors or outdoors, expected daily usage, and style. Among the different types of wood used in furniture making, Teak wood is prized throughout the world for its durability, not only in terms of its hardness, but also in terms of its resistance to moisture, rot, and insects. Teak wood is very dense, protecting itself against outside invaders. It has very smooth, almost oily texture, straight grain, and golden to medium brown color. Cherry, another type of wood best known for its red to reddish-brown coloring, which deepens with age. It's a very fine-grained wood on the softer side of the spectrum for hardwoods. Although it's not ideal for high-traffic flooring, it's a great wood for cabinetry and furniture, as its slightly softer rating allows it to be shaped easily while still withstanding moderate use. Pine is another popular wood for furniture making. There are more than 100 species of pine, and hence, there's no one-size-fits-all description for the wood. Pine may be a softwood by biology, but its hardness varies per species. In some cases, pine can be as hard as oak. Color-wise, pine ranges from nearly pure white to a golden yellow to a cream, which is the most common hue. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas for your home and patio. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.